Welcome back to my floor. Today I want to show you how to fold a winter jacket to save space. So, this is part 2 of the series. If you didn't watch part 1, we folded smaller jackets like these ones. You can check that out after this one. If this is your first time watching my channel, I'm Tor. I love to make these folding and kind of organizing guides for you guys. So, let's jump right into how to fold this winter jacket. Alright, so we want to start out by laying the winter jacket down flat on the table or on the floor, whatever, you know. We want to straighten it out a little bit, try to get rid of all the little creases as they're gonna sit in there if you don't straighten it out nicely at first, especially for this method. So, next step, once you've closed up the jacket, kind of lay the hood out nice and flat like this. We're gonna start off by folding the arms over to the other side like this. And do the same thing on the other side, like so. If they're too long, you can fold them over like this. In this instance, it's not necessary, so we're just gonna keep them like this. And from here, we're going to take the hood and we're gonna fold it over the arms like so. We're going to take the bottom part of the jacket here and we're gonna fold it over in about half, like so. So it reaches almost up to the top of the hood here. From here, we're going to open it up a little bit and just kind of fold the jacket inside of the opening here, down here. And then we're just going to straighten it up a little bit like so. And you've created a nice little pillow you can sleep on or just put away in your closet. So, if you haven't watched part 1 of this video where I show you how to fold a little bit lighter jackets like this Gore-Tex jacket or this denim jacket, you can check that out next. Also make sure to subscribe to receive the latest of these folding and organizing videos.